In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from TradingView. So let's dive right into it and make sure you get your hard-earned money back smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to head over to TradingView's website. You can do this by simply typing TradingView into your browser's search bar or using a bookmark if you've already got it saved. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself looking at TradingView's main interface, where traders flock to analyze financial markets. But today, we're here for a different reason: getting you that refund. Now, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you'll typically spot a small question mark icon or a chat support button. Clicking on this will initiate contact with TradingView's support system, specifically designed to help users like you navigate any issues they may encounter, including refund requests. It's always good to see companies making it easy for customers to reach out for assistance. After you open the support chat, you'll need to type in the phrase, "I want a refund." It's important to be clear and direct to ensure your request is understood right away. The automated system in place should recognize your query and guide you to the relevant options for processing a refund. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry about using technical jargon or financial terms here. They aim to keep things stress-free and accessible. Once you've done that, you'll get a reply that shows a refund request link. This is your next step. Clicking on this link will take you to a more detailed section where you'll likely need to provide further information about your purchase. Be prepared to enter details like your subscription type, date of purchase, and any other pertinent information that will help TradingView verify your transaction and expedite your refund request. Have this information handy because the quicker you can provide it, the faster TradingView can process your refund. It's also worth noting that TradingView, like many online services, likely has a refund policy with specific terms and conditions. Make sure you've read these policies beforehand so you know what to expect and ensure your case qualifies for a refund. Policies often cover timeframes for eligible refunds and the condition of services or subscriptions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to securing a refund from TradingView. Remember, the key is to be prompt and provide as much detail as necessary to streamline the process. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. See you in the next video.